Hey, how's it going? Just wanted to show you your new Fender custom shop Strat. This thing is beautiful in person. Has a great, nice little shine to it, honestly. Here's everything in here in the case. Candy as well, COA. I'll get you a better look at her. Real great. The only thing, camera can't really pick it up, but like the listing says, just some swirling. This thing is in like near mint though, and I can't even try to find. Some of that's just dust. So, yeah, here she is. And yeah, I can't wait for you to get to play her and try her out in person. This thing is really nice, honestly, one of the most beautiful Strats I've seen. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her packed up. I'm gonna separate the strings from the frets, and I'm gonna loosen the tension a little bit, protect the headstock, and we'll go from there. All right, so here we are. Just wanted to give you a last look. I did separate the strings from the frets. Gave a little bit more support on the headstock. This is a great case, by the way. So, I mean, this thing is really nice and protected, so you don't really have to worry about that. That's just to give it a little bit of extra cushion. But yeah, I'm gonna get her wrapped in the whole case. I'm gonna wrap it around, and I'm gonna put her in this brand new box. So this is a new box. We're gonna put a UPS label on it as well and get it nice and packed, just so she's safe and snug. And I'll keep you posted in the next video. Okay, and there she is, ready to go, packed, nice, snug, and she'll be heading on your way. So thank you so much again. We just want to put good instruments in the hands of good people, that the world will be filled with good music. Have a great day. Enjoy.